Welcome to Binmalay Beach. Binmalay Beach is this is from Pangasinan, with my born town. So ito yung kanyang itsura. So ang ganda ng I highly recommended also this Binmalay Beach. Malinis siya. So yan, as you can see, so yan ang kanyang this is also nearest also in Lingayen Beach. So ito guys, so pakinggan nyo yung sound ng beach, ng mga alon. Yan. So just enjoy listening the sound of the wave of the beach, of the water I mean.